actually have a program that is called Healthy Living for Your Brain and Body. And this is divided into 4 different sections that we touch in order to have a healthy brain. One is, of course, diet and nutrition. Number 2 is physical exercise. Number 3 is cognitive exercise, which is what we're talking about, the reading, everything that has to do with learning probably a new language, different things like that, because it has been shown that people that speak more than 2 languages, has developed less, Alzheimer's. Also, the last part is the social engagement, being active socially, whether you're a member of your mosque or your church or synagogue. You have to have that constant connection with people, and being able to share ideas and things like that, so your brain is always working. When we're talking about sleep, very important, we need to get 8 hours of sleep. Some people say, oh no, I'm sleeping 3 hours and I'm fine, I'm sleeping 4 hours. No, the body needs 8 hours of good solid sleep in order not to only to regenerate the cells in the body, but also to keep the mind active. Let's keep in mind that what Alzheimer's does is that it attacks our brain cells, our neurons, destroy our neurons, and we don't regenerate neurons. Whatever we have when we get to an adult life, that's what we have for life. So like you say, if we don't use it, we lose it. So it's very important to keep a constant engagement, do different physical activities that you actually enjoy. Going for a walk, riding a bike, those type of things. And when we talk about healthy diet and nutrition, has been shown there is a diet called the Mind diet, which is a mix of the Mediterranean diet with the DASH diet. So they combine this. So, high in vegetables and legumes, everything that is green is good, less fat, less fried food and things like that. It will help. It will help because we have a saying, what is good for your heart is good for your brain. Reason why? Because, as the heart keeps healthy, keeps pumping that blood that flows to your brain and oxygenates everything, that's how you get all that nutrients and everything else that goes into your brain. So it's very important to keep that in mind. And when we talk about reading, of course, reading and specifically being aware of your reading, like if you're committed, you're an avid reader, anything you can read, even getting online to do maybe an educational program, that is, nowadays you have all these virtual tours of museums, great places that keeps your mind active because you actually visualize, and you are also connecting with other people and things like that. So it's very important to do that in order to keep ourselves healthier and try to prevent not only think about Alzheimer's disease, but all these cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes, problems with the joints and things like that. It will help tremendously if you follow those different quadrants. So as I say, diet and nutrition, cognitive training, and you have the part of social engagement. And of course, being aware that, of the things that you actually enjoy doing.
Right.